9 truths about life. 1. A salary is the drug your employer gives you to forget about your dreams. 2. If you continue to wait for the right time, you'll waste your entire life and nothing will happen. 3. Even when you trust your close friends and family, it's best if they know nothing about you. 4. You'll lose 90% of your close friends if you start upgrading your life. 5. You'll be 10 times happier if you forgive your parents and stop blaming them for your problems. And 6. You become more mature when you train yourself to take nothing personally. 7. You don't need 100 self-help books. All you need is action and discipline. 8. People are stuck in toxic relationships because they're afraid to be alone. 9. The most difficult mission on earth is to focus on your dreams. The easiest task is to complain.